The system has a maintenance-free system to it. It's amazing how well this stuff works. This glass-filled nylon material that's here has a glass-filled nylon goes all the way around the internal portions, and that's what slides on the track. We don't want you to even have to lubricate it, because in the marine industry, people just don't do the maintenance they want to, so we designed it so that you wouldn't have to go through all that stuff. What we wanted to do was have something that somebody could put their boat on and walk away. Again, this is the evolution that we're talking about. The maintenance aspect of it is non-existent, really. Again, we don't want you to lubricate the track. You don't have to. Some of the tracks, because of the tide range, will be in and out of the water twice a day. They'll get a barnacle growth on the beginning, and this might be loud, but this is the maintenance we tell you to do. It will knock off anything that grew. Our suggestion is each and every time you tie up, you drop it. And when you drop it, it does almost everything that you need to do at that time.